Okay, so today I am going to talk about sales life cycle. Okay, app. So usually sales app we are going to use in our reality. It is a product, right? So if you go to the environment or product, right? This is the products that are available in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, first thing is you can see customer service center enterprise and customer insight. This is called marketing module, and this is a field service. This is a premium sales premium. Okay, so these four combinations of module, we say it is a sales module. I mean CRM modules. These four modules we say CRM module. So whenever we have like time, like we can discuss about the apps. So today anyway, I want to discuss about sales life cycle. So that next time whenever you have any exercises, so we can perform on the sales application itself, right? So what I will do, I will just go through the sales app. Anyway, we have our application, right? Environment we have already created. There also we can see our sales application. So let me show you our sales application. Dev September environment, select it, and now you can select this is the URL. So here in the bottom, here this is one model driven app I have created. When you click on this app, it will navigate to the apps section. These are all apps so that are available. So either you can select your CRM sales hub. This is our sales. Okay. So or you can select our dynamic CRM custom also. Okay, because we are learning sales only, right? So either way you can do it. So now let me select a dynamic CRM custom. Okay, under see bottom you see sales application and service is there, marketing is there, training is there. Four modules we are able to see, right? So now I'm going to talk about sales module life cycle, how it works. I'm going to explain you. See now you can see the application, sales application. This is what our customers are going to use it. So the same application they are going to use it, right? So uh, but sir, the same application if they are using, but we have multiple people, like multiple domains, like a telecom domain, and food industry is there, and banking domain is there. There are so many domains that we have it. How they are going to use same module, because fields are different, opportunities are different, codes, terminology will be different for every domain. So how we are going to use it, how everyone going to use the same product as usual they don't use usually. So we have to customize this product. It can be sales, it can be customer service, it can be marketing, it can be field service. Any module we are going to customize according to our business requirement. So who will give the business requirement? Business requirement document will be given by the customer only. First they will, what they will do, so they will provide the business requirement document to us. So what we need to do is we need to understand that business requirement, and we need to showcase them. Sir, this is your business requirement document. So for demo purpose we are going to provide you the some of the functionalities, but initial stage, business requirement stage, that is. So once they are okay, then we start developing. Okay, inside there will be some billing related, all these things will be there. That is different story. That is company information, right? Not our development thing. What we are going to do is, as per their business requirement, we will develop the product phase wise. Okay, so now coming to the dynamic CRM, account and contact module, right? For every domain, contacts are mandatory, accounts are mandatory. Account means it will store the account information. Since it is a new application, we don't have any accounts. Contacts also, it is a new one, right? So we don't have contacts. And activities, dashboards, these are all also common. Okay, these four modules are common, right? So common modules we don't require. If they want any customization in the common modules, we will be we will add some fields and we will delete some fields, and we can do modifications if required. Otherwise most of them are like contacts are very common every module. But life cycle, what is the sales life cycle, right? We are going to talk about. So let me show you in sales, direct sales how it displays instead of custom app. So sales, direct sales app, maybe we might have some data, right? For example, if you see customer, okay, I think all accounts, okay. Since it is a fresh one, there is no customer details and contact details also, because recently we have configured it. That's why nothing is there. So dashboards also might not be there. So let me show you one by one. Okay, how it works I will tell you. First, give me one resume recording. Yeah, now this is another account where I have dashboards and accounts and contacts also. Okay, so contacts and leads. Okay, so right hand side you see these are all like site maps. Okay, site map means um, it is a kind of modules where we can where dynamic CRM will be storing the information. For example, if you click on a lead, then lead information will be stored. Okay, we can see the all the leads here. Okay, and next if you see an opportunities tab, all opportunities will be stored. Okay, you can see it. And left hand side you see copilot, teams and copilot. See, copilot and teams, automatically it will be integrated. See, my teams are already integrated, right? See, now I think there is no nothing is there. But anyway, by default, copilot and teams in right hand side, you can see them. Okay. So that is the advantage actually in CRM. Most of the people, why they use, why they love, means it is integrated. We can integrate teams, we can integrate mm, WhatsApp, I mean, sorry, Outlook. Okay, Outlook also integrated. And third party tools like WhatsApp also we can integrate. And LinkedIn also we can integrate. The Gmail, whatever you want, you can integrate. So what is the use if you are integrating with the CRM? For example, you see, and under activities, you can see all emails came. These emails automatically it will come from our dynamic CRM only. For example, if you see this email, okay, where it will come, it will, you can see it. Okay, some Vijay Kumar Motapotla. From here itself it came. Okay, next, okay, let me click on OK button. See, I need a laptop. One more email. Okay, activity type email. You can see phone call. This is phone call. If you see this one, you can see the from where it will come, because it is automatically integrated. Okay, so integration is happened. That's why you see all the emails under activities also. Okay, so that's why like People who are working in these modules for in Dynamics, daily morning they will come and they will see how many emails they came, and they will check how many can be, we can convert as lead, how many we can convert as opportunities. So we can easily convert. Okay, but anyway, I will tell you life cycle later. That is one thing. Activities means all the activities you can see. And sales accelerator is also one module where you can see the sales related information. If they want to prioritize, then they can use the quickly this sales accelerator module. Okay, so anyway, just right, this is one activator. This is setting actually. So there are no issue, there are no records. That's why under my work it is not displaying. But activities directly we can integrate it. Automatically it will come. And the dashboards, visual representation, right? If you want, you can create your own dashboard. Okay, so this is how the dashboard will display. This is my own dashboard actually. So earlier I have created, and if you want, you can create your own dashboard. And accounts contacts already I already told. And now I'm going to show you the life cycle. So this is overview of the CRM I have explained. Now I'm going to show you the life cycle of the CRM. So first, lead. So lead, how can we generate the lead? Okay. So now you can see automatically emails are displaying. Okay, these are all the open emails. If you are integrated, then all leads will be displayed like this. Okay, so now Sirisha email is there, and all the emails are displaying. But manually also salesperson can create the lead. Okay, and if you want to integrate with any third party tools also, you can integrate. But usually manually I am going to create a lead from the CRM. So now I'm going to create a new lead. Okay, for example, click on new lead. So completely brand new lead from manual salesperson is creating. So lead means it is a inquiry, right? So any inquiry, medical college seat fee details. Example. Okay, I need medical college seat fee details. Okay, first name, let's say Tanu, Tanvi. Okay, last name you can say like Mota, Potula. Okay, and job title student something, and business phone number. These are all mandatory information, right? So whatever you want, you can fill it out. And email ID is also mandatory. Email ID I am giving. Okay, company is MC, and all these information you have to enter it and save it. Details, under details also you can see the details. Test industry, okay, whatever you want you can mention. Annual revenue, it is very important, because based on the annual revenue only we will be finalizing the lead. Okay, all this information like we have to fill it out. And but sir, what exactly we are going to do in the reality? Sir, form is ready, everything, lead is ready, everything is ready. But what is your job? What, why you need here? So usually these form fields are different for each and every business. Okay, so we will change it. So how to change that, maybe later stages we will learn. Okay, that form initially we have to fill these forms. Okay, so just save it. saving. Okay, so now in this form you see lead to opportunity, qualify, develop, propose, close. These tabs we have to fill it out. This is called BPF flow. What is that? BPF flow, business processing flow. Okay, business process flow. So anyway, step by step we are going to uh, discuss. So now first stage is done. We have filled all the mandatory information, and all the information is also, if you want any other information also, we can select it here. But now next stage is, if this lead is qualified. Okay, lead is qualified means, so how we will qualify in next sessions, next time we will discuss. Usually we will write some rules and we will qualify it. Okay, so lead, by using a lead score, the lead will be qualified, or manually also we can qualify like this. Here we have a qualify button, click on qualify, that's it. So now it is qualified. So once lead is qualified, see now account name is MC, and contact person name is Motapodula Tanvi, and opportunity is also, you can see, I need medical college seat fee details. Means once lead is qualified, opportunity will be created, contact information will be stored in the contact module, and account will be stored in the account module. These three things will happen simultaneously. So before that it was not saved, right? Now onwards we are going to work it. So then qualify it. Okay, so when you qualify it, if you see this account module, contact module, so automatically those modules you see the information. See, and also the beauty of this Microsoft Dynamics is, it will generate autopilot by using the AI tool autopilot. It will generate the lead qualification details also, annual revenue, and the summary of the lead, everything it will generate, so that salesperson can easily decide, okay, what need to be done, and right. So lead information automatically it will be displayed, and click on finish it out. So when you click on finish it out, okay, so lead is done, lead is created. Okay, lead is created, and it will move to the opportunity tab in the right hand side, left hand side, opportunity tab. This is the module where you it will be landed, opportunity. Okay, now see now the detail summary, and because we have enabled Copilot, right? Summary also it will be enabled, but I don't require right now, just minimizing. So first stage is completed, second stage is also completed. Next, develop. See, now develop means you are working on it. Your opportunity you are working on. Customer need what? Pay seat details. Medical college seat details. Medical college fee details. Fee details. Okay, proposed solution. So I have phone. I have made. I have called and informed the fee details. Example only. Identify stakeholders, and business to business it will be fields will be changed. Now develop stage is also completed. So next stage. Okay, next stage, propose. How you are proposing? Identify the sales team. For example, you need 100 cars. Okay, you identified the sales team. Yes, it is a checklist. And develop the proposal. Yes. Complete the final review. Yes, if it is yes. These are all like a checklist. Present the proposal. Yes, completed. Okay, next stage. Right? So four stages are completed, and closing. So closing means we are not closing the lead. Okay, just this is one story. Just we have finished it out. So next we have completed our BPF flow. But what is our next step? Right? So our next step is Here I forgot to tell timelines. Timeline means salesperson is working. For example, he is working on that lead or opportunity or whatever it may be. He may email it. For example, I want to send a email, right? So email automatically Copilot is enabled, right? So form list is there, to list is there, and now I want to draft. Hi Tanvi, your medical call a medical seat, okay, will be allotted, okay, after the results, example only, and fee details, okay, like that, and just to describe what you do. When you are clicking on describe, for example, copy and paste it here and generate it, Copilot will be generating your email. Okay, so automatically it will be generated and it will be drafted, and then you can send that email. Okay, now it is working on it. You see, I hope this message finds you the alerted and answered. The fee details are as per the follows. You have to further question and all these things. Keep it up automatically. That email will be keep it up. And next save or send. Okay, if you want, you can send it. Okay, email will be sending to that respective person. Okay, whomever you want. Not only email, everything. So it will be tracked under timeline. It can be any stage, right? It can be opportunity stage, it can be any stage. All these details, yeah, see, now this will be tracked. And for example, I want to make a phone call, just call. Okay, so it will be integrated again. Okay, CRM will be integrated, phone call. Okay, you can call itself, but now integration is not done. Maybe you may not call, but that information will be tracked under timelines, whether it can be phone, it can be email, or it can be, you see activities, right? Task, whatever task you do, that automatically this will be tracked, and it will be our copilot will be enabled. So that is the advantage, more advantage, right? And there are so many advantages, I will tell you later, but anyway, we are focusing on workflow, life cycle, right? So far what we learned, we have created lead and it will turn into the opportunity, and but still it is not completed. Opportunity is not completed. Okay, if you want, you can see the stage. 1 minute, I think this is the. So now what exactly we are going to do is, this is the sales life cycle, right? So first lead creation, opportunity creation, and quotation, ordering, and invoice. Okay, this is the life cycle of sales. And now for quotation, now we have done these two steps. And quotation contains product and prices. Okay, so we need to provide one product and pricing details also. But you see, this is our opportunity, and just click on it, and we can make it a big screen. Okay, like, if you are clicking on it, it will be made as a big. So anyway, that product information will display under the product only. But our requirement is different, right? Earlier I have created products like, so many products, but if you see products like, just, this is the price list. Price list means it may be INR, Indian rupees, like USD, whatever you want. Okay, anyway, that is fine. You can select, or you can also create your own price list. But here you can see all are D0 only. There is no product. So here one option is available, add product. So add product, for example, our requirement is medical seat only. Okay, so a medical seat you have to add, right? But here our product names are car, AirPad, Apple phone and all. If you want, you can create it. Okay, medical seat. But under products only we can see. So there is another module is available, that I think in the settings we can see it. Okay, then only it will be displayed here. So no, I think you see settings, app settings is there, right? And there we have to create our product. Then only it will be displayed here, right? But as of now, what I can do, instead of adding products, that is a separate thing actually. Products, how to create and all. So that will be separated. Now anyway, I want one product. Okay, that product I am going to use it. For example, AirPod or something like anything. Okay, you can add it, AirPod. Let's say it is a medical college seat. Save to opportunity. Like that, you can add any number of products. Okay, now you see AirPod is available, and that pricing details also it is already available. Quantity one. Okay, so now you see 1699. Okay, so we have configured product in the back end and prices for that product in the back end also. That's why it is displaying. But now for demo purpose, I have not configured any product and any prices, just demoing. That's it. So come to the point. Now product added, pricing added. So now you can see we have added products and we have added prices for that. For example, you want to, okay, you want to quantity as something like say now edit the quantity 10 products. You can enter quantity as 10. Quantity is 1 is there. Now I want to maintain 10 and save it. Now it is automatically amount calculated and everything is calculated. Discount, I want to give 10 percentage discount. Save it. Automatically it will discount the product. So everything is discounted and now save and close. Save it and save and close. So like this, like now we have added one product. It can be any product. For example, I will tell you. Recently, medical insurance company details people contacted us. Okay, so health insurance. So they have products like insurance products, right? So insurance products, so we can add it. Okay, and Paradise Biryani example. So what we will do back end, we will add a product like Paradise Biryani. Rate is something like 500 or 600,000. If it is a family pack, 1100 like that. So all this configuration will be done in the back end only. Okay, under settings, app settings, we will do it. But anyway, that part is a different part that later we will discuss. Now we have added products, we have added prices. Now quotation. So we have to share this details to the customer. Okay, quotation, right? So go to the quotation and a new quote. Click on new quote. See now a quotation, everything is okay added. Discount and everything you can see. So how we will share it? Export PDF and we will share it. Okay, or email also. So now you can send the email also. Save and send it. So automatically it will be sending to that person. So once email confirmation is done, okay, what we can see, we can, okay, we can finalize the quotation. So how we can finalize the quotation? Okay, we can see activate quote means already finalization is done by the customer, then you are able to activating. So activation is done and assign option is there, right? For example, if I wanted to assign, for example, something like Tanvi. Okay, if that user is available, anyway, that Tanvi name, we can assign it. So assignment will be done. Anyone we can assign this record. And stages, in progress, status also we can see it here, stages wise. So, but now customer is okay. Okay, once finalization is done, I want, no, 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 I don't want this price. I want to apply some promotions or discounts again. Then you can revise it also. Revise option is also there. You can click on revise button. Okay, again you can give the some discount whatever you want. For example, discount 15% discount again you have to do all these things, right? Again you have to activate the quotation. This will happen usually. This will happen sometimes. Again you can revise it. So once quote is done, okay, what you do next stage is ordering, right? Ordering and invoice. So then create order, one option is available. So now when order is done, you have to change the status reason as one and date and closing opportunity yes or no and calculated the amount from the quote yes, everything you have to set it out and you have to create the ordering. Now order creation is successful, right? Next, finally creating the invoice. So this is the workflow. Okay, so I think this is the workflow. And if you want to paid invoice, you can select invoice paid or cancel also. Invoice is also paid, completed. So in every interview, you will get the question like what is the sales life cycle? First lead creation, then opportunity creation, then quotation, then order, finally invoice. So this is the life cycle, sales life cycle. Most of the people they use this life cycle. Okay, but someone wants contracts. Okay, here contracts are available, right? Contracts. So contracting module, custom entity, we have to create it if they want. Okay, so at any stage we can integrate any entity or any field, we can add it, we can add any third party application, right? Anything we can do. So that's why people prefer this Microsoft or Dynamics CRM right now, most of the people. So in previous days, I didn't think 5 years 6 years ago, most of the people they prefer like other products like Salesforce and all. Okay, and Oracle is there. But nowadays they are preferring Microsoft Dynamics because integration is easy. I mean, Teams we can integrate, Outlook we can integrate, and Copilots are also it is inbuilt integration is there and easy to customization. Okay, so this is about Microsoft Dynamics sales life cycle. So what we discussed, sales life cycle we have discussed today. That's it. Okay, next, so whenever we required to do, any customization, I will show you. That's it. Yeah, thank you.